Well, now that we got this door off, in order to plane this edge down, I got to get these 2 screws. Brass screws are about the worst. Boy, they get in this old lumber and they will not turn loose. So we're going to have to drill them and ease them out with some easy out. The first set of things I've got are these ones I bought a while back, and I'm going to try them first. Normally I use those great big long ones. I'm going to try to see if I can find them. But the first thing we're going to do, because right now, see, this has got the drill bit on one end, it's got the easy out on the other end, which means one tool does it all. So we're going to try it out and see if it works. Maybe not. Okay, we got another bit. 3/32 is what we need. Well, that's great. Now I broke the drill bit off in there. Just goes to show you, got to take your time. Now I got to figure out how to get that bit out of there. All right, now we're going to try the other one. We just want to work at it slow. There it comes. Seems like it's going to work. Got it out. And the drill bit on this thing is a left-handed drill bit. Of course, now I got to get this thing off the tip so I can try to get this other one out. This other one's going to be a little harder because I broke the drill bit off in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to dig down just a little bit so that I can get me a good bite on that. Okay, we're going to dig down, try to get us a bite on it. You have to get below the head of this thing. Luckily the drill bits broke off in there so this brass screw won't just collapse to the center. Oh yeah, there we go. Just have to take our time. Hot dog. And being that this is a pretty long screw, we can use our alrighty. Got it out. See if I can't get a better. There we go. Yeah, see, you can see the drill bits broke off in there, but we were able to grab a hold of the top edge of that thing and spin it out. Okay, now we got our we're not having any luck with it. Oh yeah. We're getting one of them out. Okay, that's good. We're going to have to do the same thing with these two, so we need to go get another drill bit, another 3/32 to get started with it. Alright, let's see if we can do it without having to drill any holes. Nope. And nope. Nope, we're going to have to drill holes. Normally, the hinges don't come to the other edge at the door, but in this case they did. They're usually back about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, but this was done with no telling who did it. But anyway, we're going to drill these. This time we won't push so hard so we don't break our bit. Okay, now we'll get our drill bit on the other end of this thing. Finish them out so they're the right size of our easy out. Oh boy. Okay. Time for the easy out. Remember, we want to go the left way. Oh, we're not having any luck at all. Nope, we're going to have to drill these completely out like we did the others, because all that paint and everything, they ran these things in so tight, they're just snug against the hinge and we can't break them loose, so we're going to drill them out. Because what we've done is we've just drilled the head off of these so that the hinge will come past it. Okay. Now we gotta go back to drilling the little drill bit again. Now, if we can't get both of these out, or if we can't get one out, this is below the door, so that means we'd have to dig down to grab that screw out of there. Let's hope we don't have to do that. Okay, we got the first one. Now the second one. Hopefully it's just as easy. Just want to take your time. Alright, we lucked out on both of them. Okay, got them both off, so we knocked the head off, drilled a hole, and then got our easy out in there. Okay, I've got my matches. There again, like I said, you can put glue on there. I mean, you don't have to, but you got your choice. Stick them in there. Break them off so they break at the top. Now we can get our hinges on there.